Hi, my name is Jamie, and I am a male-female trans girl. I'm doing a video tutorial about how I do my lipstick, and I hope you enjoy it. So, what I like to do first is I love to exfoliate my lips at least once or twice a week. If I don't do it, then I can't expect to have full lips, right? So, this is what I use. I love the apricot, but you can pretty much use any, and you just put it, and you just do it twice a week. So, this is the lipstick, lip liner that I'm using. It's actually eyeliner because I couldn't find my lip liner this morning, but you get the gist. I like to use this because it puts a dark, it defines my lips like they used to do in the 90s, and I really love the 90s look. It's just what I do, but of course you can do it any way you want. Use whatever color you want. I just like the brown, the dark brown around my lips. As you can see, I start with the bottom, and then I work from my cupid's bow out. Make sure that I get it right. Also, I'd like to invite each of you to subscribe to my son's gaming channel because I love him and I want him to have more subscribers. So if you subscribe to me, please subscribe to him. The link will be in the description below. We're finishing up here. What do you think? Am I pretty? Anyway, so now for the actual lipstick. I use either red, pink, or purple, and this is what I'm using today. It's a red made by LA Colors. I love it. It's so beautiful. So, as always, I start with the bottom, and I try to avoid the edges where I put the lip liner because I want the lip liner to show a little bit. Then I work from my cupid's bow out, and then I go around one more time and I make sure I got it all, and this is my lipstick. I missed a couple of spots, obviously. So, how do you think? What do you think? This is how I do my lipstick. Like I say, everybody does it differently, so... But here we are. Oh yeah. Mwah. That's right. I love each and every one of you. Thanks for watching.